Welcome to IELTS Mastery. Are you ready to achieve your band goals? The IELTS exam can be challenging. Many students struggle with its 4 sections. But understanding each section is key to success. First, let's discuss the listening section. You'll listen to recordings and answer questions. Focus on understanding the main ideas. Practice with real test materials to enhance your skills. Next, we have the reading section. You'll read passages and respond to questions. Time management is crucial here. Skim the text for main ideas first, then read closely for details. Now, let's move on to writing. You'll need to write essays and describe graphs. Structure is important. Use clear introductions, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Practice different types of writing tasks to build your confidence. Lastly, the speaking section awaits you. You'll engage in a face-to-face interview. Practice speaking fluently on a variety of topics. Familiarize yourself with common questions to feel more prepared. To enhance your learning, incorporate AI tools. These resources can provide personalized feedback and practice materials. Embrace technology to support your study journey. Imagine walking into the test with confidence. Picture yourself achieving your desired band score. In summary, understanding the IELTS exam and using both AI tools and traditional study methods ensures the best results. Now it's your turn. Enroll in our IELTS Mastery course today. Start your journey towards success. In the next video we will discuss about overview of IELTS, academic versus general training. Stay connected with us. Thank you.